Hello there. Today we will learn how to easily get official WinRAR software for your Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. On Google, I am typing RAR Lab and searching for it. And this rarlab.com is the official site for WinRAR Archiver. Now go to Downloads. Here you can find all the versions like WinRAR for Windows PC, Linux operating system and Mac OS. If you need this software in any other language, then the list below is showing the names. I just WinRAR 64-bit for my PC. Choose yours according to your bit and operating system. It's downloaded and now simply install it. Now just use it and the official WinRAR is ready for you. Hope you found this video to be useful, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.